Are you looking for the best ring lights? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best ring lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Westcott 18 inches Bicolor LED. The Westcott 18 inches Bicolor LED has you covered, from selfies to outdoor shoots. With 2435 lumens and a 3200K 5600K temperature range, you'll be set for photography, video calls, blogging, and much more. This ring light has a stepless dimmer and digital readout, allowing you to fine-tune brightness and temperature with the turn of a dial. The digital readout lets you quickly change settings based on external light conditions. The light includes 2 NPF 750 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries and a battery charging port. These batteries keep the light going on full power for 70 minutes. And there is also a wall-powered option for extended use. This ring light comes with a sturdy tripod and mounting accessories capable of holding a DSLR camera or smartphone. In addition, it is a USB port capable of charging phones and other electronics to avoid low battery interruptions. This light and its accessories fit nicely into a well-made storage bag with separate light, tripod, and battery compartments. Depending on your needs, this model might be too large. It requires a tripod, so you'll need adequate floor space. This ring light does not include a remote or Bluetooth availability to control the light settings remotely. It's also a bit pricier compared to your standard ring light. But we found the high-quality construction and utility well worth the price and great for various applications. Number 2. UBeesize 10 inches Tabletop. The UBeesize 10 inches Tabletop is a well-designed and easy-to-use ring light at a wallet-friendly price. Every aspect of this device is well thought out. The textured ball joint allows for completely customizable angle adjustments. Unlike many cheap ball joint tripods, this one actually stays put once you tighten it in place, so you don't have to worry about it dumping your phone or expensive camera. Its simple design and easily adjustable leg height allow for a speedy 10-second setup, while its size is conducive to tabletop photo shoots and traveling. Whenever we needed a small tripod for our DSLR, we reached for this one because it's generally easy to use, and the stability is trustworthy. It also comes with a small carry bag and a handy remote trigger for easy selfies. On the downside, we wish the phone mount took into account larger phone cases, for example, OtterBox. Additionally, this smaller ring light is a fraction of the price of some of the others in our test suite and, as a result, does not provide the brightness that larger, more expensive options do. However, neither issue is a deal breaker compared to how much we like this light. The UBeesize 10 inches is a small, simple, and portable option, all at an unbeatable price point. Number 3. Xinbaohong Clip-On. The Xinbaohong Clip-On is a lightweight and compact clip-on ring light for smartphones. It offers multiple temperature settings, continuous dimmer capability, and the most basic setup imaginable, all at a very affordable price. It clips directly to the phone, like a chip clip. A single power button turns the light on, and successive presses cycle through the temperature modes. Super easy. It can easily fit into a backpack, purse, or jacket pocket. This is a great option for budget-conscious social media posters and selfie takers alike. This light comes at a great price point, but it also has its drawbacks. When using it in a portrait orientation, the clip mount blocks the rear-facing camera of many phones, so if you want to take a non-selfie photo, you either have to slide it to the corner or a different side of the phone. In addition, the light itself is not especially bright, so if you are taking a photo of anything more than an arm's length away, this light isn't going to make a noticeable difference. Also, for everything we love about this mini light, it feels lower quality than other, higher-end portable options. However, for its simplicity and ease of use at a bargain price, this is a nice portable light for selfies. Number 4. UBeesize 10 inches with tripod. We love the versatility of the UBeesize 10 inches with tripod. It comes with some great features, and they're all well designed. It has an excellent, fully functional tripod and a carry bag for the light. There's a separate carry bag for the tripod, and it also includes an easy-to-use remote trigger for your phone. This light sets up fast, we managed it in 18 seconds, and adjusting it is a dream. It also features the same phone holder as the UBeesize 10-inch tabletop, which can easily twist to whatever angle you want. Unfortunately, the phone holder on this model has the same issues as the others. It doesn't grip phones with a large case well. We also wish the light was slightly brighter, though it's the brightest of the 10 inches sized lights we tested. This is a great mid-size option at a very accessible price point. Number 5. Lavkow RGB. If you're looking to add color and variety, the Lavkow RGB light is a perfect addition to your photo, video setup. Though almost all the lights in our test allow you to change the temperature, how warm or cool the light quality is, this one also allows you to choose whatever color you want. It offers bright purple, red, and cyan, as well as more standard options. On top of all these fun color options, it comes with a surprisingly solid tripod. The downside is this ring light won't support larger cameras, the phone holder doesn't function the best, and the lighting is dimmer than competitors with a comparable 10 inches size. Additionally, the light control is somewhat difficult to use, and we had difficulty achieving our desired color. Although, with a few minutes of button pressing, we managed to figure it out. The Lavkow is best for those who want artsy color options at a modest price. Number 6. ShiftCam SnapGrip Creator Kit. The ShiftCam SnapGrip Creator Kit is a top choice for content creators who need a reliable light on the go. This portable device turns a phone into a more traditional-looking camera by adding a shutter button, light, and detachable mini tripod to any smartphone. The tripod legs also easily collapse down into a selfie stick. This light uses MagSafe magnetic technology to quickly click in place on your phone. It even comes with an adapter sticker that turns any non-iPhone into a MagSafe magnet-compatible device. It also strikes us as high quality and comes with a semi-rigid case to protect the light and battery. This light has just a few drawbacks worth noting. First, it is not especially bright. It does the job for selfies or anything within close range but much more than an arm's length away, and its effectiveness fades fast. Second, it's heavy, which you might notice if you plan on taking a bunch of selfies with the included stick. When attached to the stick, the weight of the light combined with the phone sometimes forces the pivoting ball joint to slump over at an angle. However, for convenience and quality in a tiny package, this light is our go-to when on the go.